is very small. Maybe it cannot cut well. Maybe it cannot cut good. Okay, seeing is believing. Let's check it together today. Today we will test the plasma cutting. It's very simple, like this machine installation. Let me show you. Come on, let me show you. Okay, this is our brand, Minibee CNC. Enter. Let's find a building. Let's find a building shape in the building shape library. You will see this machine has many Okay, let's see. This machine has many building shape. Let's choose one. Arrow key. Press arrow key. Let's find the U shape. Okay. Enter. Enter. If you think this size is okay, this size you can change. You can change the size. Okay. Enter. Okay. We will start. Sure to cut. Yes. Enter. Sure to cut. Here we go. We can see this cutting edge is very good. And let's check the cutting parts. Be careful, it's very hot. It's very hot. It's very hot. You can see the cutting edge is good, but it's very hot. Don't touch it by hand.